All right, looking at this property here. So this property, guys, there are 3 lots here, and we have 3 mobile homes that can go on these 3 lots. Uh, so we just walking the property. It has septic tank and water and electricity hookup, and that's what we really like. But this mobile home comes with the property, and I don't know if I'm too excited about this. Number one, it's old because you could tell the peak in the roof. So it is only a 1 bedroom, 1 bath um, mobile home, but the electricity and stuff is already hooked up to this property. So I am just looking at what's going on here. Gonna go inside the house. Well, can't go that way. I'm gonna go inside the house and see what's going on here. So our main reason for looking at this mobile home is because it comes with land along with 2 other lots. So it's 3 lots in total. And we have 3 mobile homes that we're trying to move to this particular area. And so as you can see, we're walking in the kitchen. The kitchen doesn't look too bad. This is an older model mobile home. I'm not really sure if the water is working and the electricity was off at the time. You can always tell a older model mobile home when you look at the height of the ceilings. The ceilings are normally very low, but somebody has remodeled this mobile home and they did a pretty good job. This is a 1 bedroom, 1 bath mobile home. This can rent for $800. And the taxes for the entire year for this mobile home on land on 0.16 acres is $1,500. So we got a little walk-in closet here. So all in all, this mobile home doesn't look too bad for a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. So we're gonna finish with the tour, guys. So that was the front door. We're gonna finish with the tour and see what's going on. All right, so we're going down the hallway here. Like I said, this is a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Very nice mobile home. I'm not really sure what this particular area is for. Unfortunately, there's no electricity. We're not able to look at the bathroom all that great, but it doesn't seem like there's too much wrong with the bathroom. And so, like I said, the water is not on, nor is the electricity. And so we don't like buying properties without the water and electricity not on. And then we have a window unit, which I'm not too excited about. However, this mobile home is so old, I would not get central air. That was the only bedroom in the entire home. And so we're going back over here into the kitchen. As you can see, we have a lot of cabinetry space. So that is nice. You can see where the old mobile home starts and the new addition mobile home starts. So this is an addition to the mobile home. Somebody has added another room. All in all, not bad. Maybe this can be a living room. And also, voila, surprise, we have another bathroom here. So that's very nice. So we have a 1 bedroom, 2 bath wooden addition mobile home on land. Like I said, it's on 0.16 acres of land. The area back here can be turned into a bedroom or, something. I'm not really sure. We could have area over here that could be like the living room. Yeah. Well, you know what? It's old, but some 1979. Ooh. So it can't be moved nowhere. No, I don't know who would move this. Somebody who have their own private land would have to take this. But surprisingly, it don't look horrible on the inside like it do on the outside. So you know what I was really thinking about doing? This home I was thinking about selling financing this home out to somebody. Because you know what I did? I already put it on Facebook for 66,000. Okay. And I already said it was a 1 bedroom. Really, this could be turned into at least a 2. Yeah, because it's 1,040 square feet. Wow.
So this is a big trailer house
Yeah.
for only 1 bedroom, 1 bath.
So my whole thing is, so the other 2 lots, so this is going to be the biggest lot?
Yeah. The other 2 are on next end.
Oh, you can't get to them.
Yeah, you can. Right?
Oh, you can.
So you can get this part,
Okay.
and then he said the real estate that you can put a septic tank on this lot too.
Oh, so they don't have septic tanks.
This one does. That
The-
one does. These 2 doesn't. But you can on this one. So we could call we have to call the county just to make sure
Okay.
we can put on each lot.
So this one does, these 2 don't.
Correct.
Okay, so that can be my negotiation point point right there.
Yeah.
So
this one has the electricity, the septic tank, and water.
uh-huh. But my whole thing is, okay, so this is a lot here.
This is a lot. This is a lot.
Okay, but my whole thing is, how can what size mobile? I ain't worried about the trash. What size mobile home can go here? That's my whole thing.
That's the one we have to call the county to double check.
Okay, is that something you do or what?
I can do it for you.
Okay.
I can do it for you, and I can get back with you.
Yeah. So I'm not too excited. They don't have the septic tanks because I thought they might have it. This is a big lot right here. No, it's cow turds everywhere. I ain't trying to get that on my shoe. Let's take a picture of the house. So this is not bad. I thought it might be worse. But by them putting this addition on, that's narrowing down the mobile home that could go here. Shoot. Okay. Yeah. Somebody will want it, that's for sure. Somebody will want this. I don't know who, but somebody would. All right, so we're going to look at the septic tank. Ooh, you might not want to go over here. It's all kind of cow poop. Oh, I see. Yeah.
You pull out, the septic tank is in here. So this one is real good.
Okay.
Because the lid is not broke, you see?
Uh-huh.
You need to clean it a little more, and that's it.
And that's only good for this space, though.
Yeah, for
okay.
what?
Okay.
Depends how many people want to live it. This septic tank is real good.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is never got problems.
Okay, and where's the other one here?
I don't have any cows.
You never could tell. There's been some cows over there.
I used to ride the horses and cows. Too much problem. Too much feed. You see the sewer line? I put a new sewer line.
Right. I see that's new. The plumbing is new.
New plumber, all of it.
Yeah, I see that.
So the sewer line coming over here. So I can need to take off, and this one I put a new lid.
Okay.
So the septic tank had to be right there.
There's no septic tank here?
Yeah, it had to be right there.
Oh, it has to be right there.
You see it coming the line over here? So
yeah, that's probably why the grass is
right here,
yes. Okay, yes. I got you. Yes. All right. So in other words, it ain't been cleaned a while if all that grass done grown over it.
For one mobile home, you never had to clean it.
Okay.
You know, this things used to be, it's a classic one, it's forever.
Okay.
You know, it's never a stock.
All right, sir.